Welcome, Deer Valley Online Learner. My name is Mr. Dugan, and I teach American History 1, American History 2, Government, Law and Society, and I also teach fast track classes for those subjects.
I'm Mrs. Linda Meyer, and I teach economics, sociology, honors world history 1 and 2, gifted honors world history 1 and 2, world history 1 and 2, and then I also teach the fast track courses as well for those subjects.
We are your full-time online social studies teachers. We are excited to be teaching you this semester, and we just want to go over a couple of quick tips to help you be successful in your online classes. Time management is definitely a key in an online class. Due dates are usually 2 days a week, so you'll see them usually Tuesdays and Thursdays, depending on the teacher. So you'll have assignments due on those days. In an online class, in order to be successful, one of the best strategies is to work ahead. If you can do your assignments before the due date, that will put you in a much better position to be successful. So we strongly recommend that you look at the calendars that are sent in your classes. You will see the due date calendar, and it will have all of the assignments and all the due dates. Please print that out and use it. Cross off the assignments after you do them. That's a really good tool in order for you to keep up and be successful. And like I said, if you can work ahead, that would be a great strategy.
Another way to be successful in your class is to make sure that you communicate with your teacher. We care about you and we care about your success in the course that you're taking, but we need to make sure that we are hearing back from you. We communicate in a couple of ways. One way that we communicate weekly is by sending out announcements. Often that will have our availability for the week, which is very, very important, especially if you need tutoring or you need to turn in late assignments. So please make sure that you are reading through those announcements. That is a huge way to stay successful. Another tip is that if you see an inbox message from us that requires your response, please make sure that you're responding to us. We don't see you every single day in the class, so we don't know what's going on with you unless you communicate with us. And we care about your success in the class and your well-being as well. So please let us know what's going on.
Yes, and to add on to that, due dates are really, really important, because I know when a unit ends, we end all the assignments, and you will not be able to go in and put anything for that assignment at the close date. So please make sure you're paying attention to those due dates. Another great resource that we have in the online learning program is labs. We have labs available here at Barry Goldwater High School and also up at Boulder Creek High School. They are here at Barry Goldwater High School on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. and up at Boulder Creek High School on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Now, there will be a full-time online teacher in that lab. So if you go for social studies help, you might not see one of us, but there will be a full-time teacher in there to help you. And you can always track us down by looking at your announcements, because we do post our availability, so you'll see where we are for the upcoming week. So if you want to specifically come in and work with us, you can do that. But you don't have to wait for us to be in the lab. You can always come into the lab and use that resource if you need a quiet place to work, or you have questions regarding Canvas or something like that. There will be a teacher in there to help you. So please take advantage of that very important resource.
Yes, and your social studies team, your full-time online social studies team is very, very responsive, and we really love going to labs and seeing you guys there. So please make sure that you are paying attention to your announcements. Guaranteed that either Mr. Dugan or myself, we're in the lab multiple days every single week. We love that. So other than that, please reach out to us via email before your class starts, and then via Canvas messages once your class does start if you have any questions, and we are looking forward to a great spring semester.
Yes.
Thanks, everybody.